Brother Teeby, totally wild and crazy animals. Komodo dragon, Virus Komodo. The world is filled with reptiles, some ranging to be minuscule to the largest ever known. The Komodo dragon is the largest lizard species in the world, and being the largest lizard species, obviously it has to come with some overpowered items at use. The Komodo dragon has 2 venom glands in the lower jaw, allowing them to release a toxic protein that causes blood pressure to drop, making the prey go into shock and is left weak and defenseless against a much superior predator. Komodo dragons are in the monitor family called Varanidae, which is a family spread around Africa, Central and Southern mainland Asia, and Malaysian and Indonesian islands, but also Papua New Guinea and Australia. There are currently around 50 to 60 species of varanids. The Komodos are powerful looking reptiles with wide flat heads, rounded snouts, bowed legs and huge muscular tail. The Komodo's skin is made of overlapping scales that acts like armor. Although they're the largest species of monitor lizard, they're restricted to 5 insular and fragmented populations inhabiting islands in the Lesser Sundras region of eastern Indonesia. See, even though these beautiful lizards are amazing, they're heavily targeted. There's fewer than 3,500 individual Komodo dragons left in the wild. It's truly saddening that these creatures are being killed and targeted. Komodos are the dominant predator on the islands they inhabit, excluding humans of course. Komodo dragons will eat almost anything they find, including already dead animals, deer, water buffalo, pigs, smaller Komodo dragons and occasionally humans. Like I said in the beginning of the video, the Komodo dragon does indeed have venom. See, when a Komodo dragon bites its prey, the injected venom contains a mix of proteins that induces shock, prevents blood clotting and ultimately helps with the swift takedown of the prey. To be very blunt with you all, the Komodo dragon is indeed the largest of all the lizards in the world. The lizard can grow up to 3 meters or 10 feet, and they can get to a weight of 135 kg, which is around 300 pounds. Being the largest is understandable they'd live for a very long time. However, it takes them 8 to 9 years to fully mature into an adult. However, these lizards will actively live up to 30 years. See, Komodo mating can be dangerous for parties involved. And what the male Komodo dragon does is he scratches her body and licks her, and if she licks him back, they will actually mate. However, due to limited supply and demand of the fathers, the female Komodo dragons have developed to reproduce asexually. It's known as parthenogenesis. They do this because they mainly live isolated in the wild and can become quite violent when approached. Parthenogenesis is a natural form of asexual reproduction, in which the embryo develops directly from the egg without the need of fertilization. In animals, parthenogenesis means development of an embryo from an unfertilized egg cell. Komodos do this because of the scarcity of male Komodo semen. The IUCN Red List has unfortunately put these beautiful lizards under the endangered status. Due to their lower population numbers and their threats, it's incredibly important that we protect them. The Komodo's main threats are habitat loss, poaching, human disturbances and also climate change. The islands that the Komodo dragons inhabit are going to have their forests shrunk, and also parts of their native sea islands are expected to submerge in the next century due to the effects of climate change. Thank you for watching Brother Teeby, Totally Wild and Crazy Animals. For more future videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.